Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Since Word 2007, there have been 4 different basic file format types available. The first and default file format type is the Word document. This is a Word document that does not contain macros or code and is the type of file most users create by default. When you use the Save As dialog box to save a document, if the Save As type dropdown shows Word document, then this is the file type you will create when you save the document. These files have a .docx file extension in Windows. Alternatively, you can save a document that could potentially contain macros or code by selecting Word Macro Enabled Document from the Save As type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. This type of file has a .docm file extension in Windows. This duality of file types also applies to document templates. To save a document template that does not have macros or code, select Word Template from the Save As type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. This will create a file with a .docx file extension. To save a document template that could contain macros or code, select the Word Macro Enabled Template choice from the Save As type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. Doing this creates a file with a .dotm file extension in Windows. To create a document that can be opened on a device running a version of Word before 2007, you can choose the Word 97 through 2003 document choice from the Save As type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. Doing this will create an older document file which has a .doc file extension. If you open a Word 97 through 2003 document file in Word 2007 or later, Word opens the document in Compatibility Mode. You will see the words Compatibility Mode appear in the title bar of the document if this is the case. In Compatibility Mode, Word disables any features not supported by the older versions of Word. Doing this lets you safely edit the document using your newer version of Word and save your changes in the original file format. This allows the creator or other editors still using older versions of Word to still open and use the document after you have made changes. In contrast to this, you can open a Word 97 through 2003 document file in Word 2007 or later, and then save a copy of it into the newer Word file format if you know it no longer needs to be opened and edited in an older version of Word. Alternatively, you can also convert a document into the most recent file format by using the Convert button in the Info section of the Backstage view. To do this, first click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Info command that appears at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Convert button to view a pop-up box which tells you things like the layout may change in your document due to the new file format. You can click OK to convert your document to the latest file format. You can click Cancel to cancel the process and return to Compatibility Mode. The pop-up box will close after you click either the OK or Cancel buttons. Simply save your newly converted document to then finish the conversion process. Also note, you can click the Tell Me More button in the pop-up box to open Word Help and view the associated help files for Compatibility Mode.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.